Moving to college is a big moment in our lives. For many of us, it marks the beginning of independence, the beginning of a lifelong journey where the world is our proverbial oyster. But I think that one of our greatest challenges will be homesickness. And to combat this, I spent a lot of time thinking of the perfect nostalgia item. But I couldn't think of anything better than my damn yellow stuffed ram. So I asked 20 of my friends what nostalgia item they're bringing to college. And this is what we came up with. Enjoy the video.
Look at you, man.
To uni, I'm bringing a stuffy.
Which type?
Probably an avocado or something.
My guy, David. I got two items I'm bringing with me, you know. The first one is my good old trusty bracelets that I always wear. My second one, for me, you already know the basketball, fam. You know, gotta drop buckets on these mans.
I'm gonna be bringing a blanket from home.
A nostalgic item that I brought from home is this painting that I made with my friends to remind me of them.
I'm gonna be bringing to university is this angel.
Yo, what's up to the vlog? Hey David. So basically this is the sort of nostalgia item I'm bringing to uni. It's a little bit weird, it's a pair of shorts. They're sort of like my lucky pair of shorts, if that makes any sense. And I actually won regionals in long jump wearing these shorts, so these shorts have a special place in my heart.
Something I'm bringing to university is a basketball. If I have this ball with me, it's gonna remind me to stay active.
This is my keyboard that has been with me since I was 6 years old.
Hi David. It's gonna be this, my little butterfly knife or trainer.
I love like printing out photos, friends, family, vacations I've been on. But I also have like Polaroids and I typically I date them.
So these are my bullet journals. I've been journaling since grade 9. I'm bringing these with me to university since they're kind of a reminder of all the ups and downs we've gone through in high school, as well as some of the best memories I've had.
Hey everyone, I'm Parthiv. I'm going to be David's roommate for this upcoming year at Western. First of all, I have this photo of my family. I always keep these two photos in my wallet of my friend group just to remember all the friends I have back home. And finally, I have this necklace that used to belong to my dad for a long time, and my mom also attached her own pendant onto it. So this is a nice way to remember both my parents as well.
I just moved into Res this afternoon, so I think there's no better time than now than for me to show you the item that I decided to bring. Which Snoopy do you want? This one. Pretty good choice. I can somewhat see the resemblance. Okay, so that's John's Snoopy, that's my Snoopy, and then you choose your Snoopy. This one. Dad, choose a Snoopy.
Choose the one with this red hair.
Mom! Choose a Snoopy. That one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, maybe this one.
That one? Okay, so then this one goes back then.
These two are so cute.
Beef,
maybe
that
I'll
one?
do this one. This one's cute.
So I basically got 5 Snoopies. So I asked each person in my family to just pick a Snoopy, off of instinct. You know, the one that connects with them the most. So now I've got these 5 Snoopies that represent the 5 members of our family. So I hope that this video inspired you to come up with a cool nostalgia item. I hope this video was helpful and you also had a good time. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.